Yeah, what's up, YouTube? I guess it's a late night restock, but they didn't restock today. I do see these moving parts here. Nice, look. That's new. Oh man, didn't get lucky. I thought Sunday would have a restock, but nope. Yeah, these got ransacked today for sure. There was more of those. Let's see. Yeah. The main lines. Blah. I already went through that. Same matchbox. I guess they only restocked those 2 days, man. Nothing more. Nothing else. Too bad. Still haven't had that new case. NM, whatever it is. Is that Mustang 5-pack here? I'll grab it today. Nope. Nope. 3-pack. Pretty cool. Look at that. No luck today. Should grab this nice 3-pack to get that nice skyline. Sweet. What's they have here? Wait, what is this? I saw that already. Nice. So let's check here. Nope. 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 Sunday. You can't find anything on Sunday. All the collectors out here on Sunday. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Let's get a close up on that. Sweet. MR2s are all gone. Yep, all gone. What is this? What kind of car? Oh, I dropped 3 Hot Wheels. 3 Matchbox cars. Oopsie. Which car did you find? What is this? Nothing. Check that out. Number 3. Mystery packs number 3. Wow, I like to get these 3. Look at that. Bugatti, Porsche, and Chevy. But it's already been gone through. Oh damn. What is this? Well, let me check these quickly. Okay, just went through those 2 boxes. All gone. Too bad. Look at that. Wow, first time I've seen number 3 here though. Pretty cool. Too bad. Oh man, I wanted these 2. This is actually a Volkswagen VW. I want that. I'll take that too. Pretty cool. What else over here? M2s? Nope. Same old. Same old. What is this one? Maybe it's in here. What car is this? Man, this checking these takes a lot of time, man. What is this? Wait, hold on. Stay tuned. Let me see all those mystery packs. But what is under here? Someone hide this under here? Yeah, it's a nice pack. NSX, Porsche, Corvette, nice Beetle. It's a nice, what's that? Forget, McLaren? Look at that. Sweet. Nothing. Didn't get any restock today. Nothing under there. Alright. Let's get out of here. Nothing here. That was a quick check. We'll check this week though. Nothing here. Nope. Marvel. They got the new Black Adam there. That's so cool. That movie is gonna be awesome. The Demon. Cool. Man, nothing here tonight. Alright, more Hot Wheels over here. What's his Matchbox doing here? Nothing here. This used to be the secret spot. Now everyone knows about it. They actually put new cases here, bro. But nothing here. Nope. Shut up, lady. Nothing here. I'm not digging through those old Hot Wheels. It's a mess over here. Whoa, look at that. Gremlins. There's Gizmo. Hi, Gizmo. Alright, we out of here. No restock tonight. Oh well.